think they're safe along here very often. No, after you. That's alright, I can...
Which one? Oh, thank you.
Have a good day, nice car. I was looking at it further back down the road.
Alright.
A little bit of waiting never cost me anything. It rarely cost me anything, certainly not here. Get off your phone, my friend. So we have there what? That's a legal looking number plate. K19LYT, but it looks like a Q. That's dodgy as hell. Are you doing what? I hope we get a chance to see his front plate. That plate is not alright. I think it's K19. K19, very strangely formed, non-standard font.